Okay, class, let's have an attendance. So, say present as I call your name, okay? Number 1, we have Shirley Lunod. Okay, absent. Next, we have Catherine Balud. Okay, present. Dave Buhawi. Okay, present. Si Robert Ipu-Ipu, naa. Okay, naa. Denise Manlangit. Okay, naa. Next, we have Jasper Taligsik. Okay, naa. Next, we have Randy Ulan-Ulan. Okay, absent. Ninya Bagyo. Okay, wala. Roy Lunop. Okay, naa. Then, we have Catherine. Okay. Catherine Ann Kidlat. Naa. Then, we have Ariel Dalugdog. Okay, naa. Okay, the last but not the least, we have May Baha. Okay, present.